Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly charge refrigerant into an air conditioning unit. This is a fundamental skill every beginner in the HVAC field should learn. I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply, making sure you understand not just how it's done, but why each step matters. So stay with me till the end to get a solid grasp on this essential process. First off, safety is non-negotiable. Ensure the AC unit is turned off and unplugged before starting. Wear safety goggles, gloves, and if possible, a mask to avoid refrigerant exposure. Work in a well-ventilated area. This helps prevent inhalation of accidental refrigerant leaks. On the outdoor unit, find two service valves: larger valve, low pressure or suction valve; smaller valve, high pressure or discharge valve. You'll attach your gauge hoses here, so identify them correctly. Using your manifold gauge set, connect the blue hose to the low pressure valve. Connect the red hose to the high pressure valve. Ensure a snug fit to prevent leaks and contamination. Connect the yellow hose from the manifold to the refrigerant cylinder, making sure it's upright. Keep valves closed until you're ready to charge. Turn on the AC and set it to maximum cooling mode. Make sure the compressor is running, as refrigerant must only be added while the unit is operational. Slightly loosen the low-pressure hose at the port. Open the cylinder valve and the low-pressure valve on the manifold to purge air from the hose. Once air is expelled, tighten the connection and close both valves. Then, with the AC unit running, open the refrigerant cylinder valve again, followed by the low-pressure valve. This allows refrigerant to flow slowly into the suction line. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauges. For R410A systems, typical suction pressure ranges between 118 and 135 psi, and discharge pressure between 370 420 psi on moderate days. For high ambient conditions, pressures may rise. Refer to manufacturer charts for exact specs. Occasionally close the low pressure valve to check readings. If pressures approach manufacturer recommended levels, stop charging. Once desired pressure is reached, close the refrigerant cylinder valve, close the low-pressure manifold valve, carefully disconnect the hoses, expect a small release of refrigerant, stay safe, recap the service ports. Let the system run a few minutes and check air output from the vents. You should feel consistent, strong, cool air if the unit is charged correctly. If large amounts of refrigerant were added, consider checking for leaks. Leaks must be located and repaired before recharging to avoid waste and equipment damage. Always use tools rated for the refrigerant type, such as R410A, which operates at significantly higher pressures. Never use R22 gauges on R410A systems. Always purge hoses before charging to avoid introducing air into the system. A full visual inspection is recommended. Check filters, blower wheel, evaporator and condenser coils, airflow and wiring before charging. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to clarify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more HVAC tips and tutorials.